Here's the key to when we're doing one-step equations in algebra. So as you can see, there's a bunch of problems here, and we really only need one step of things to do in order to get that variable by itself. So we're going to go across, and we're just going to keep going across and down in order to answer these questions. So the first one we're going to start off with is, how do I get that minus 4 out of there? So I want to do the opposite operation, which is to add 4. So we're going to add 4, and we do that to both sides. We have to do that in algebra class in order to balance everything out that we're doing. Now the 4's over here are always going to cancel, because when we're doing opposite operations like adding and subtracting, that's always going to cancel that out. And then we're going to do this part on this side. You're going to get 4 plus 4, which means your x is going to equal 8. And that's how you solve it. Moving on to the next one, we see there's an addition here. So we're going to do the opposite operation, which is to subtract. And we're going to do that on both sides. Like I said, with the adding algebra problem, we're going to do one thing to one side, we have to do it to the other. These are going to cancel, leaving me with x all by itself again. And then we just do 5 minus 3, and we get x equaling 2, and we're done. Always check your answers too, by the way. You should always make sure you're checking them. Now here we have a minus 2. We're going to do the opposite, which is to add 2 to both sides. And we get that, and now it's all by itself. 0 plus 2 gives me 2. And then we're good to go. Let's take a look at these next ones. You have, in this case, now we have some issues of division. So we have a divided by 4. So we want to do the opposite operation of dividing by 4, which is to multiply by 4. And if you multiply on that side, we need to multiply on this side. And then these are going to cancel each other out. And that's going to leave me with 1a. So 1a, or just a, is equal to what we have over here, 4 times 4, which is 16. Now here we have multiplication. So we want to do the opposite of multiplying, which is to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. Now the 4 divided by 4 will cancel and leave 1. So you have 1a is equal to also 4 divided by 4 over here, which is 1, and you've solved your question. Next one over here, we have m divided by 5. We're going to do the opposite operation, which is multiplying. And if we multiply over there, we multiply over here. These are going to cancel each other out. Again, leaving me with 1m. And we do 5 times 5 over here, and we get 25. Take a look at these questions and see if you can get me the answers for any or all of them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, follow for me for more, and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at U1 Algebra.